Hey everyone, I'm Nicole with mmToolParts.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace your armature on your DWS779. So, let's get to it. Okay, first we're going to start here with our motor housing and take out the 2 screws here with our T20. Okay, now we're going to come to the cord clamp, and it's also a T20. So we'll take that one off. Okay. Next up is the brushes. We're going to take the brush caps off and pull them out. Just use a flathead with this. So we're just going to take these 3 off here with the T20. Just going to pull this off. All right, so we're going to loosen these screws here so we can take off the belt. We're using a T25. We'll take our little belt off. Okay, and then we can finish these screws here. I'm just holding the back of the motor here. You can see these screws are holding it up. So once we remove those, we got to be holding onto the motor so it doesn't fall. Okay, now you should be able to pull your motor out. There. We need to loosen our tensioner here. And we're just going to pry this off here. Take the end bell off. And here, take out our armature. There you go. Okay. So we've got our new armature here. We're going to put it back in. The new ones come with the bearing already on. So you're just going to line up your bearing. Make sure it lines up with the hole there. Just going to put this on there. Tighten our tensioner. Okay, so now we're just going to line up with these slots here and push our motor in. We're good, and get our screws back on to hold our motor in tight. We've got all of our 6 screws in, but they're still loose, so we can move this to get our belt on here. Are you ready for this? You just push this up and slide it on. Now we're going to tighten our screws. Put our plate back on here. It's kind of hard to see. Next, we're gonna put our brushes back in. Again, you just line them up and make sure you see them go all the way down to the armature. Make sure they're incorrect. The last of these 4. You want to be a little careful with these ones so you don't strip the plastic, so we recommend maybe using a hand tool for that one. Now we're on to our clamp. There you have it. Armature is replaced, everything's back on, and you're ready to roll. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you need any of the parts we used here, make sure to check out mmToolParts.com, and we'll get you set. Have a great day!